Okay, in this video, we want to add the eyes to the head. That way we can move the forms in around the eyes. So to do this, in object mode, we're going to go up here to add mesh UV sphere. We want to make sure the segments are set to 16 and the rings are set to 12. It's just a pretty good starting point. And we want to kind of come in here and then we want to go into edit mode. We want to grab this top vertex and we want to move it in. Now that we've done that, what we want to do is tap A twice to the point where we see that everything is selected. So the reason why I brought this up is because if we go into object mode and we go over here to add modifier and we add the mirror modifier and we pull this away, you can see that it's not mirroring it. Well, it is, but it's mirroring it around this orange point right here in the center. So you can't see anything. So I'm going to undo that. But now that it's mirrored and it's in the origin location, we can go into edit mode, make sure that everything is selected. And now when we pull it away, you can see that it's mirroring it. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and move it into place. So we're going to pull it up. Switch to the side view. We'll move it forward. And let's switch the axis to global. Let's pull that back around. All right. So we go into the side view. Let's rotate it. We can hold down control so it snaps. And we are probably going to need to pull it down just a little bit. So let's go ahead and move it in. Let's scale it. Be careful not to make it too small. Pull it in a little bit more. Let's pull it forward. Basically, you're just trying to put it in that socket. So I can tell that I've already made it too small. So let's scale it back up again. Probably about there. Let's go into rotate mode. Let's turn it out just a little bit. And then let's pull it down. Yep, it's still too small. Let's scale it up to about there and see how that is. You have to play with it a little bit just to get it right. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be close. All right, so that's pretty close right there. And again, I want to pull that out a little bit. Just don't go too far. That doesn't look too bad. Probably about like that. That looks pretty good. Now we can go back into object mode. Things look pretty good. We do need to come in here and move some of these verts around. We can do that in the sculpt mode. We want to select Godzilla, go to sculpt, and then we can use the grab brush. I want to pull the radius up a little bit. That way we're influencing more of these points. Yeah, that's better. Use the elastic deform for this, because you can see how it's pulling everything together better. Let's go back up and smooth this out. Yeah, that's better. And we'll be able to get in there and sculpt more later, but now we have things fitting much better than before. We'll deal with these cavity parts later. I'm not too worried about that stuff right now. That looks pretty good right there. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.